All right, welcome back to chapter 21. This is on common diseases, insect, and also vectors. This vector here is different from the vectors in basic physics, where you'll be taught on your physics 101, on your applied physics. That vector is different, okay? This one is this vector in biology are vehicles that carry pathogenic substances from one place to another. Example, mosquito in itself is a vector. It carries Plasmodium species from one person to another. You get. So what they carry sickness or diseases from Mr. A to Mr. B, and they call vector. And they call vector for biology, and also an anatomy, medical field. But for the engineering field, vector now any substance that has both magnitude and direction. Example of vectors in the space of in this field of physics. Example, one common one is displacement. That's the first one you'll be taught, but today that's not what I'm here for. So let's get straight into it. In the life history of Schistosoma, this one is Schistosoma behaziah. One of the following is the intermediate host. One of the following is the intermediate host. I want you to jot down this. The secondary or intermediate host is water snail, while human is the primary host. Human is the primary host, while the secondary or intermediate host is the water snail. Next, right. If 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 a man is infested by schistosoma, it causes schistosomiasis or Behçet's. I'll spell it. Schistosomiasis is Schistosomiasis or Bilharziasis. Now, next one, right? This is also carried by a worm called blood fluke. It's like a worm. They call it blood fluke. And they carry on. Next line, right? The life cycle of a blood fluke is from egg to maricida to Caesarea to adult blood fluke. So maricida is spelled Miracidia, and Caesarea is spelled Cercariae. Next, right, the Mericidia develops into Caesarea inside the water snail. Next, right, blood fluke is not liver fluke. Liver fluke they different from blood fluke. Next, right, liver fluke largely affects sheep, while blood flukes affect humans. Next, right, Plantiemitis, then put a comma, flatworms. They also include blood fluke, liver fluke, and tapeworm. You understand? Next one. So they say in the life history of Schistosoma, one of the following is an intermediate host. Option B, which is the river snail, water snail. Number two, a farmer X working in a swamp did not eat any food nor drink any water. Which of these diseases can can he contract? Which of these diseases can he contract? He no drink water, he no eat anything. Which disease here he go fit get? He go fit get did not or did. The correct answer is cholera. The reason is that did not eat any food nor drink any water. Cholera is waterborne disease. Okay, so they say which of these diseases can he not contact is cholera. Cholera now only through water you go feed get am. You understand? When you eat or drink something wey dey inside, now you go take get that one. Next, I want you to write in your note, right? Black fly causes river blindness. Black fly, mosquito causes malaria, while fly causes sleeping sickness. There's one called sleeping sickness. You'll see the name subsequently. I'll release the name for you. Fly causes it. So you cannot the person not fit get cholera since he not drink the water. You understand? Number three, which of these diseases cannot be controlled by killing the vector? Even if you kill the vector, you not fit control am. Polio, polio, poliomyelitis, poliomyelitis. I'll spell it for you. Poliomyelitis is spelled Poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis, because because it is contracted through food and water. Understand? That have been contaminated by the feces, the shit now from shit or from excreta, and from there. Next, right for me, the vector for cholera is housefly. Housefly they carry cholera. So polio, you know if you get polio like that, but I say by killing the disease, you know, if you use Number four, one of the following statement is not true of viruses. One of the following statement is not true of viruses. Which of them is not true? Say they can be seen with ordinary light microscope is a lie. Virus can only be seen through electron microscope. Electron microscope. Virus can only be seen by electron microscope. I want you to jot down this little fact about virus. The biggest virus is smaller than the smallest bacteria. So viruses are, see, in fact, virus they infect bacteria. So example, what did they cause more use all this toilet infection? What did they cause toilet infection? If you don't ever see them, that bacteria they very tiny, overly tiny. At that level when they tiny, then get viruses where they 100 times tinier than it. And those viruses, if they catch and they go make them sick too. You understand? They go fit make bacteria sick. So right, viruses, the biggest virus is smaller than the smallest bacterium. Keep that in mind. Next, diseases that virus causes in animal or human. Number one, smallpox or chickenpox. Number two, measles and mumps. Mumps is spelled mumps, measles. Next, Newcastle disease. It can also cause rinderpest. Rinderpest is spelled rinderpest, or coccidiosis. Coccidiosis is spelled coccidiosis. Next, it can also cause foot and mouth disease. Next, it can also cause yellow fever and rabies. It can also cause hepatitis, influenza and hepatitis. So now hepatitis na viral disease, na virus they cause them. And also the common one, AIDS, HIV/AIDS virus they cause that one too. It can also cause swine fever. Swine fever. Give one line and write. Disease caused by virus in plants. This one is rosette disease of granite. Rosette is Rosette. Next is leaf mosaic disease of cassava, potato, tobacco, and garden egg. If you don't hear me, if you whine again, that's why I'm recording it. The next one, it causes swollen shoot disease of cocoa. It also causes the leaf curl disease of cotton. Next and lastly, it causes the bunchy top disease of banana. Next, right, vectors that carry viral diseases. Number one, the aphid. Aphid is APHID. Aphid. This one causes mosaic disease. Next, mealybug. Mealybug is spelled MEALY. This one carries swollen shoot disease. Next, aphid. There's one insect that they call aphid. APHID. This one also causes rosette. Rosette is ROSETTE. Next, leaf coil disease. Leaf coil, like you know when hair they coily. Leaf coil disease. The leaf go they coil one kind. Now housefly they carry that one. Then the last one again, bunch top disease. Now aphid they cause that one. So that's that. So they say one of the following statements is not true of virus. You cannot see it with normal eye. Number five, the center which controls respiratory activities in the mammalian brain. Respiratory activities is your medulla. Cerebellum controls positioning of the body, while cerebrum controls, as I fit they think, so they teach you. Now because of the part of my brain called cerebrum. Keep that one in your mind, okay? So the center, okay, we've touched number 4. We've touched number 5. Right, the common Plasmodium species is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. Anopheles is spelled ANOPHELES. Female Anopheles mosquito. Now let's take down diseases. Diseases and insect vectors. Which vectors they carry these diseases? Mosquito, malaria disease. Under disease, right? Malaria. Under the vector, right? Female Anopheles mosquito. Anopheles. ANOPHELES. Next, dengue fever. You don't hear of dengue fever. Now one mosquito they cause something like that. Dengue fever is spelled DENGUE. Aedes mosquito. There's a mosquito called Aedes mosquito. AEDES. Aedes mosquito. There's another one called Culex mosquito. There are about 3-4 types of them. Next, right, elephantiasis or filariasis. Filariasis is spelled FILARIASIS. Is caused by Culex mosquito. Next, yellow fever is caused by Aedes mosquito. Next one, trypan trypanosomiasis, trypanosomiasis, Trypanosomiasis. This one is caused by Aedes mosquito, Culex mosquito, or tsetse fly. Sorry, this one is caused by tsetse fly. Trypanosomiasis is caused by tsetse fly. Encephalitis is caused by encephalitis is Encephalitis. This one is caused by Aedes and Culex mosquito or Culex mosquito. Next, Onchocerca volvulus. Onchocerca volvulus. Onchoerciasis. This one is caused by black fly. Onchocerca volvulus is caused by black fly. You will still do these things in your year. You do this in your year 1, year 2, even your council exam. You still do it. Onchocerca volvulus is caused by black fly. Next one, cholera, typhoid, dysentery. These ones they are caused by housefly. The housefly they carry those ones. Next, I want you to write trypanosomiasis equals sleeping sickness. Onchocerca volvulus equals river blindness. Filariasis equals elephantiasis. Elephantiasis. Now, give a space. Let's talk about mosquitoes a little bit. Mosquitoes. Anopheles mosquito, that one is the malaria fever mosquito. So, the first type of mosquito, Anopheles mosquito. Next type of mosquito, Culex mosquito. Another type of mosquito is Aedes mosquito, Aedes mosquito. This one is actually the Aedes mosquito is a subtype of Culex mosquito. Is a type of Culex mosquito, which is a day flying insect. You don't ever go farm. If you go farm, there's one mosquito. If not be every farm, especially those deep one, they get certain type of mosquito where they bite you for there. That one they pepper, that one they pepper the one with their house. That thing most likely now, because most times the one we have in Africa here, they are still Anopheles mosquito. The male Anopheles mosquito now in the day bush for Africa here, but they get this Culex mosquito, this Aedes especially, where it bite me one time like that. E be like say they give you injection with one kind big pain. So this one, they are day flying insects. Don't forget, they used to ask this one. Aedes mosquitoes, the difference is they are day flying insects. During under sun, they fly, they bite, they suck blood. Hope say you know say mosquito no be blood in they eat oh. Mosquito they eat nectars. No be so your blood you just dey help and they fertilize. It's just like I want to put down for you. It's just like the normal food we humans like to eat. We humans we they concentrate on carbohydrates, certain proteins and the rest, but it's just like they give you rice, which is your major food. Then they give you small meat on top to spice up things or to serve as a bit of protein. If you've ever gone you've gone out indefinitely, you don't go out and you ask them to buy you buy the entire you buy only meat. You know if your belly no dey full like that, you go first buy probably carbohydrate, then you go buy small, maybe you buy rice, fried rice or na so e be. So these mosquitoes they get it, they go eat. Then this blood wey they suck they help them in terms of fertility and the rest. Not really say na your blood they take dey survive, and that's why they get the way they go take suck the blood reach na im go still kill them. Hope you know that one. In fact, notice they get the way mosquito go take suck your blood reach, e no go fit even fly again. Over time, e go suck the blood too much. The blood go, say blood they coagulate. You don't ever open pick milk down. Try am today. Open pick milk, buy pick milk, drink a lot of it. Leave the other one. Just leave am there. Tomorrow, come check am. You go see am as if e don dey sleep. You know say they say oil dey sleep, something like that. Blood dey coagulate. Na so the blood go coagulate inside the mosquito. Na that same blood go kill the mosquito. That's why they tell people say if mosquito dey suck you, no dey struggle with them. Allow them to suck you, but I know they hear. Let's go. So they say below us. I don't say you laugh. I don't tell you. If you argue, please Google your. I know pass your AI and your Google. No fear argue that one, but you can Google. You go see tell you the same thing. The center which controls respiratory activities in the mammalian brain, respiratory is medulla oblongata, not oblongata. Next, they say below are some groups of diseases. Which group of diseases is caused by bacteria? The group of diseases caused by bacteria. Bacteria. You know, so they say group of disease, so it could be difficult to say tuberculosis because they mix them now. Some are caused by viruses here. They mix them. See this smallpox. Now, don't tell you what they call smallpox. I want me to jot this thing down for me first before we go answer this question. Bacterial disease in animals. Number one, cholera. Cholera na bacteria dey call am. Na bacteria dey cause am. The bacteria wey dey cause am dey call am Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio is Vibrio. Cholerae is Cholerae. The next one is typhoid. Typhoid. Any day we go do test again, wider test, check, you go see where they put am for there. Salmonella typhi. Na im dey cause this typhoid. Salmonella typhi. Salmo Salmonella. Salmonella. Typhi is Typhi. Salmonella typhi. Next one is diphtheria. Diphtheria. Next one, disease. Diphtheria is a disease, oh, na bacteria dey cause am. Tuberculosis na disease, na bacteria dey cause am. The bacteria wey dey cause am, they call am Mycobacteria tuberculosis. Microbacteria tuberculosis. Myco is Myco. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next is gonorrhea. Na bacteria dey cause gonorrhea. That's why they fit treat am. See, I tell you, most of the STDs wey we dey catch normal wey they fit treat na bacteria. Do you know that viral disease, you now wey dey you dey lis ten to these sessions now wey dey record, probably you never marry, or I don't know, I don't really know. Men dey lis ten to me too. You dey marry, you dey misbehave, or some women dey marry, dey misbehave. If you carry viral infection, otilofa, you can only reduce it. They no dey fit treat and finish. Go ask your doctor. So just keep that in mind. So be very, very careful. Gonorrhea, say gonorrhea, na bacteria dey cause am. The bacteria name they call am Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Neisseria is spelled Neissari. Gonorrhoeae is Gonorrheae. Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Keep that one for your mind. They used to ask it. The causative agent Neisseria gonorrhoeae causes dash. It causes gonorrhea. Next one is whooping cough. There's one kind of cough where somebody could just dey cough. Whooping cough is caused by a bacteria, Bordetella pertussis. Bordetella is spelled Bordetella. Bordetella. Ella. If your name is Ella, Bordetella pertussis. Pertussis. Ella. Bordetella pertussis. Now they cause whooping cough. There's another one called tetanus. Tetanus too na bacteria they cause am. Tetanus is spelled Tetanus. The bacteria wey dey cause am, they call am Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani is Clostridium. Tetani is Tetani. Next one is syphilis. I went to do test not too long ago, and the way they give me my test results, I went to do white spider test. I see a lady and her boyfriend were there. When they present these people result, I shock. I don't know whether they were joking. They say she had almost every STD way they get from gonorrhea to syphilis. Although they play Tremonella pallidum. So the girl was like, which kind of grammar be that? Love go disappear from their eyes instantly. Although the case later end with the boy telling the girl, make she dey go, no go follow him. I say, don't be too often, I will get these things so. So that one is just by the side. No mind me, but let's continue. So syphilis, the bacteria wey dey cause am, they call am Treponema pallidum. I like this name well. Treponema pallidum. Treponema. Pallidum is Pallidum. I can name my daughter this name. So if una ask my daughter, what's your name? By the time she tell you the name, you know if you spell the name, you will let her be. Next one, bacterial dysentery, because they get a little bit of different slight type of it. This dysentery, bacterial dysentery, this one is caused by Shigella dysenteriae. Shigella is spelled Shigella. Shigella dysenteriae. Next one, food poisoning. If somebody don't ever tell you, say, I eat something, my belly they pay me. Food poisoning. It is caused by Salmonella species. Okay. Next, leprosy. A bacteria see they cause am. They get. Next, disease caused by bacteria in plants. This is caused by bacteria in plant. Number one, leaf spot or leaf rot. Number two, blight and gall. Number three, cassava wheat. Next, disease caused by fungi in animal. Disease wey be say na fungi they cause am in animal. Finish this one. Alright, fungi disease is caused in animal. One is athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is Athlete, athlete's foot. Next one is head ringworm. You see ringworm, na fungi they cause am. I'll give you assignment. Go look for the name of the fungi wey they cause ringworm. Next is candidiasis. Next is body ringworm. Whether you see ringworm for head or for the body, na fungi cause am. Next, fungal disease in plants. Number one, leaf rot, leaf rust of ceri. Smooth disease of ceri. Smooth is SMUT. Next, leaf spot and blast. Next, black root rot. And lastly, black pod disease of cocoa. Black pod disease of cocoa. These ones are caused by fungi. Next is a protozoan disease. Protozoan disease of animal. Protozoan disease of animal. One is amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. This one is caused by Entamoeba osteolytica. Entamoeba and Entamoeba osteolytica. Entamoeba is spelled Entamoeba. Osteolytica is Histolytica. Next, malaria species. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium species. Next, sleeping sickness. This one is caused by Trypanosoma gambiense. Trypanosoma is spelled Trypanosoma. Gambiense is Gambiens. Alright, so those are the ones you need to know. Should I add any other one? Nah. So say below are some group of diseases. Which group of diseases is caused by bacteria? Now you can pick out the diseases that are caused by bacteria. They mix them here. Okay. You could see that syphilis and gonorrhea. Check your notes now that you've jotted down. Syphilis and gonorrhea is the correct option. Refrigerator as a mode of food preservation has one of the following characteristics. What does it really do? It makes the bacteria inactive. It doesn't kill it. It only inactivates the bacteria. I want you to jot this down. Method of food preservation. Number one, drying. This preserves the food by dehydration. Number two, salting. This preserves the foods also by dehydration. Number three, smoking. Smoking preserves food by dehydration. Number four, heating. Heating preserves food by killing the germs. And number five, refrigeration. This inactivates the germs. Next, canning. Canning. This one, canning means CANNING. This one means putting food in an airtight can. Next, picking. PICKLING. Pickling. This one preserves food in vinegar or something that has acidic content. Next is curing. CURRING. Is smoking combined with drying, then you salt it. You smoke something, you dry them, then you salt them. Curing. Next is pasteurization. Pasteurization is PASTEURIZATION. This one means heating it to 72 degrees for 15 seconds. Next is fermentation. This one means converting to harmless substance by microbial activities. Next is irradiation. Irradiation, IRRADITION. This one means sterilizing the food by exposing it to certain degree or amount of radiation. You get? So this one, number 7, is inactivate. You see, this chapter has a lot of notes. So very important too. The black fly is a vector of touch this black fly on. You're supposed to tell me that I'm supposed to jump himself. Because I give this thing, I say black fly causes Onchocerca volvulus, option C. Don't forget what I say black fly they cause so. Number 10. One disease not caused directly by bacteria is, this one is not caused directly by bacteria. Malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa, not bacteria. Tuberculosis, tetanus, those pneumonia, and the rest, cholera, and bacteria, they carry them. Number 11. Which of the following diseases could be exclusively associated with river basin? With river, you associate them with river. It's supposed to be Onchocerca volvulus. Onchocerca volvulus, option C. Also called river blindness. Don't forget, I tell you, say Onchocerca volvulus is also called river blindness. So number 9 and number 10 and number 11 similar. I jump number 9. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a virus? It's not caused by a virus. Is Maize rust is not caused by a virus. Remember when I talk about plant disease, we said the maize rust is not caused by a virus. We said the viral diseases in plant, I named them rosette disease, leaf mosaic disease of cassava, potato and tobacco, swollen shoot disease, leafy curl, bunchy top. So maize rust is not. Maize rust is actually caused by, let me go check for it. Maize rust. Maize rust, leaf rust of cereal is caused by those fungi. Cassava wheat is caused by fungi. Leaf spots and soft rot is caused by bacteria. It's not caused by it. It's not caused by it. Go back and check the notes. Number 12. Which of the following list of diseases uses diseases, their causes and transmission is correct? No, cholera is not virus. Malaria is protozoa. Contacted with infected person. 12 cannot be. Smallpox virus, skin with blisters, close contact with infected person. Number 12 is option D, smallpox. Number 13, the primary and secondary host, respectively, of Behçet's is primary host and secondary host. 13 is option man and snail. Man are primary host, snail are secondary host. Don't forget, we touched this one when we started. The next one, number 14. Which of the following is not caused by bacteria? It's not caused by a bacteria. Gonorrhea is bacteria. Cholera is bacteria. Typhoid, right, is bacterial. Tuberculosis is bacterial. Bordetella pertussis. Onchocerca volvulus, option D. 14 is option D. It's actually a filarian, right? Onchocerca volvulus is a filarian worm which causes river blindness. Right, open bracket. Nematode, roundworm. And let's go. The reason why, right again, the reason why Onchocerca is called river blindness is because the nematode Onchocerca volvulus breathes in fast flowing. They go ask this question, which of these in fast flowing water? Fast flowing, highly oxygenated river, and it migrates into the eyes through the blood to cause blindness. It migrates into the eyes through the blood to cause blindness. 14 is option D. Tsetse is harmful to man because it is associated with with sleeping sickness. 15 as C. 16. If a person is bitten by a snake on the leg, it is advisable for the person to do what? Keep still and apply a tonic above the wound. The tonic will help to slow down the speed of the spread of the venom to other part of the person's body. Number 17. Which of these diseases cannot be prevented by immunization? You cannot prevent it by immunization. That one will they cause black fly. Option D. Black fly they cause onchocerca. Black fly. Option D. Onchocerciasis. Onchocerciasis cannot. You know if you use immunization for that one. You cannot vaccine. You cannot. If you do vaccination against them, but if you do vaccination against tuberculosis and polio, even cholera. Cholera. The vaccinations are for polio and tuberculosis. Poliomyelitis is an infectious disease caused by a virus. 18 is option A. No forget, polio, a virus they cause. One of the functions of UNICEF is to The full meaning of UNICEF, they used to ask it, is United Nations Children and Emergency Fund. So the major target is to care for nursing mothers and for children. So number 19 is option C, improve the health nutrition of children and nursing mothers. Number 20, which of the following diseases can be contracted in areas with a fast flowing river on Josesa? You see, and 20, they don't repeat that question again. Black fly on Josesa. 21, which 21. Which of the ways of controlling behaviors can result in pollution? Let's stop at 20 so we'll continue from the other distance. Up to 30 minutes already. If you've gotten to this part, type in the comment section. Congratulations to me. If you don't try. Alright. Hope you were able to take that note. If you were not, please go again. The note is very, very important. Send the note. You have questions, drop it on the group or on the DM as you know the specific sessions that you're running. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one.